To create a new unit of measure for cases properly, go to Setup, Unit of Measure, click New, select the count type unit of measure, type in the full words, say case of 24, click Next, and this is where it differs from QuickBooks. You'll want to embed the quantity of the unit of measure in the name of your unit of measure. Type CS24 for case of 24. Make sure the 24 comes after the alpha characters, so when the unit of measure comes after the quantity, you can clearly distinguish the quantity from the unit of measure. Click Next. This field isn't required. Click Finish. Now you have a case of 24. Doesn't really do a whole lot until you create a conversion. So click Conversions, click the add sign, convert it to each, click Next. Case of 24 is greater than each. Enter the multiplier 24, click Next, and Finish. Click Save. So if you purchase or sell in cases, you'll want to do this for each case of different quantities. So just to repeat, click New, Count Type, Case of 18, Next, CS18, Next, Finish, Conversion, plus, Convert to each, Case of 18, enter the multiplier, 18, Next, Finish, Save. So in QuickBooks, the units of measure are on a part basis, but in Fishbowl, units of measure are on a shared table. Multiple parts will share the same units of measure. Thanks for joining us today at Brandow Consulting. Give us a call if you have more questions.